Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Evelyn. I make food and fitness content, and in today's video I'm gonna show you everything I eat in a day. I haven't done one of these in a while, and this is such a shame because you guys seem to find so much comfort and so much happiness in the food that I make. But life has been busy. I'm not creating new recipes. I'm basically rotating the same food over and over again. But I was chatting with some of you guys, and you guys seem to love my food because it's easy and simple. So I thought, why not to share what I eat in a day again? Really realistic version of me eating normal, simple and boring foods. Where I am right now in my fitness journey, in my fitness routine, is that I'm taking it easy. I don't have aesthetic goals at the moment. I'm not looking to grow my butt or my legs, and I'm not looking to get leaner. I'm just happy with my body overall. I'm going to the gym and I'm exercising at home to feel good, to feel healthy, to feel sane. Just the best mindset I could ever ask for. So if you look for a channel where you can feel good about yourself, I'm pretty sure you just found one. Here we cook normal meals, realistic meals, simple meals. Sometimes we go a little bit over the top and cook a really fancy dinner. We are just doing the best we can with what we have in our hands. I hope you feel inspired by today's video. For breakfast I had my protein porridge. I love having this as my first meal of the day. So simple, so easy. It takes less than 2 minutes to make. So today my husband and I are working from home. We are super busy and my husband is also feeling a little bit under the weather. So I'm gonna prepare something super simple and super easy with what I have in here. So without further ado, let's prepare lunch. Something that I always have at home is can of tuna. It's just ready to eat and it is good if you know how to season it. It's perfect. I have in here 2 carb sources that I like. Canned potatoes. I know it's super simple to boil some potatoes, but sometimes you just don't have the time or you don't have the patience or you just want something simple. These potatoes are as healthy as the normal one, so do not let anyone say otherwise. I think this can is too small for both of us, and a meal doesn't have to be complicated, but it's advisable that you have a source of protein, a source of vegetables, a source of fat, and a source of carb. I'm a little bit packaged, but not too hungry, so I'm having this herbal tea with 2 rice cakes covered with dark chocolate. Is that gold? Look at them, so pretty.
Mhm.